You the truth and the truth, man. Living proof, residue through the burnt rapper. All because of you, I let loose like ain't gathering. Blue strip, take trips right after. You the truth.
I don't know. Maybe I Yes, ma'am. You have nice eyebrows. First, I look like my mom. Makeup.
Yes, I knew I was gonna get my wax today.
There you go.
So 1-to-1 ratio. You can see that. There you go. I'm an aspiring YouTuber. Oh, my name's AMIRA Williams.
Shout out Instagram.
AMIRA on the wall, dots in between each one.
Yes.
And then I use the brown tint color. And then you're gonna do about covering up. This is the developer. Let's see if we can get it. I can't see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna do it. About covering it up. Could you put 3 minutes on the clock in a second? And it should look like about like that.
Yeah.
Okay, you can start. And then you're gonna go like in like little brush motions on the eyebrows.
It looks like it's gray.
It does.
Do you see my gray eyebrows? But they're not gonna be gray in a minute.
Get it? Yeah.
It looked like my brows just got permed.
And then you're gonna get a warm little 4x4 and just swipe the eyebrows.
Come on, Michael. What? Which one? When? Oh yes, girl. They love them. I love them too. They literally do the Michael Jackson experience every day.
That was me on my weave.
Thank you.
Here's the mirror. They look darker.
They do. I like it.
I'm feeling myself.
You better feel yourself, girl. Yeah, that look good. Y'all better go. Hey, thanks guys for watching, and I want you to take a minute and look at my last video. Love you guys and squat.